Okay guys, I'm back here. Something inconvenience happened that my video get lost. How is it? It's so strange. I don't know how it happened. Don't ask me or nothing to do there. So here's the finished card that we opened last. You know that, right? This one. The eggs. I know you remember that because I put in part 1 and part 2. So here is it. We have the finished card that are finished. Finishing with this one. Look what I'm doing. So thank you guys for guys, that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Make sure you like this video. Don't dislike, okay? Make sure you like this video, subscribe, rate, and also comment down below that I told you what's this. Not this. This. I told you, right? Comment down below what is this. I need your help. Please. Most of you doesn't like my video, don't view, don't subscribe, don't like, don't rate. Why do always you do like that? So I'm getting mad at you. But if you subscribe and all what I say, I will not get mad at you. So guys, I'm giving away something in my furniture. Just joking, that's not a bird. I don't have anything to have. I'm just opening my stigma sa lip balm chocolate. So here's it. I'm using my lipstick. This is my lipstick.